In this video, I will show you how to reset RStudio to default settings in Windows. Actually, people prefer RStudio to reset to its default settings to address issues such as crashes, errors, and unexpected behavior and start from fresh RStudio. First of all, close all the instance of RStudio if you have opened it. Then go run dialog and type %localappdata %\RStudio and click on OK button. Go back and rename RStudio folder to anything you like. For demonstration, I am renaming to RStudio_old. Again, go to Run and type %appdata %/RStudio and press OK button. Go one step back and rename RStudio to anything you like. I am renaming RStudio to RStudio_old. Instead of renaming, you can simply delete this folder as well. Now open RStudio IDE and you will find all your custom settings will be reset to default. We successfully reset RStudio to default. Resetting RStudio to default can be a good way to fix problems with the software. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.